just gonna be showing you all a little video of kind of how our system works. So we can clock in, clock out, and then the employee would just type in their password. And then see from here to open the register, just go here, and cash management. And then you see this register is already open, but you could press open it, set the till amount, and then to close it, you just type in the total, press close drawer. To scan items, go to service area, add a new order, and then you just take your scanner, scan an item, pops up here, has the total, cash card, and then if you want to do a discount, you can hit pay, scroll down, discount, and we can add you buttons, or you can type in a different amount. So say I want to do 10%, apply, does 10%. Customer loyalty, if you wanted to add customer loyalty, it's that blue button. And you can add customers or search up old past ones. So here's one I made. Now she's on there. You can set it to however much money they spend, they get a certain amount off. It's completely up to you. You can do split pay, so whatever number's typed in here. So if they want to do $3 cash, type in 3, hit cash, and it's going to ask them to do 3 by cash. Once you hit yes, it'll have the balance due or what's remaining.